Cheers! I'm going to make some dinner.
Oh, that's good.
But we have to tell everybody about what we did once we left the panoramic road in Albania.
Well, the panoramic road, if you haven't seen that one, you can always pop back after watching this one and take a look. It was a good video.
But first of all, you have to tell everybody about our bald spots.
Our bald spots? Really?
It's not yours.
Well,
it's not yours.
No, actually, Walter.
It's not yours.
Thank you. Walter was getting inside bulb on the front wheels, we thought. So we had to try and find a garage.
His alignment was out, wasn't it? That's what we thought. The alignment was out on the tyre, so yeah. So
we had to try and find a garage, and you did find a garage, didn't you?
Yeah, so we headed back towards Flora.
Yeah, but when we got there, the guy took one look at Walter and said, "No, mate, you're a truck."
He's like, "No, I'm a motorhome." He couldn't do it. Said there was another garage 98 miles away, and we thought, oh, we've driven enough now, so we just thought we'd park up, find a nice park up, and get some dinner on.
And on our travels, we kept seeing these little garages, but all of a sudden you spotted this really quite big garage with huge tyres outside. And so we stopped and... I
thought there can't be the only few places in the holy bloody Albania that only does vehicles like ours. So,
yeah. So
we went in, and you?
So we went in, and luckily receptionist spoke pretty good English. But do you remember? We kept using the word alignment. What word did they use? What word?
We need our wheels aligned, and they say, and eventually she understood, and she says convergence.
Oh, that's right. Oh, convergence is what it is.
Got it, and they had a proper swanky laser machiney thing, didn't they?
Yeah, they put our registration in. They put our registration in, and we agreed he could do it, do the alignment. And we swapped the front to the back because they weren't really that badly worn, but they were just starting to get worn. So
Walter had all these tyres off. You looked naked.
Yeah, I didn't like it.
You looked naked.
I never liked seeing Walter up on Jack.
No, you were recording. I think they were a bit nervous because you were like
just checking out what they were doing.
I didn't know.
So what you? Oh yeah. And but they did sort it. They said they aligned it properly. Lasers done, and that was good. Tire pressure fine, and we set off to a national park.
The DIVJAKE National Park. Great visitor centre.
And we are going. Come on.
Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know.
Well, I just put the drone away because we some other guests have come up here now, or visitors I should say, and I'm really shocked how dizzy I was getting. And when I was looking up at the drone and trying to see where it was, and I was getting really wobbly because I can't look up and fly the drone at this height. I don't know why. I'm just really strange, and I had to sit down.
You're actually shaking. You had to sit down.
I think I got vertigo. That's what this is.
Vertigo.
Can we give it a medical name? Because then people might feel sorry for me.
Yeah.
But I get a bit of vertigo at this time.
And it's famous for pelicans.
We like pelicans.
You got up close and personal with the pelican. And we went on bike rides there because it is a national park, so there's like signposted walkways and bike rides along sort of
boardwalks.
Boardwalks.
Just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals.
We bumped into some fishermen which were really friendly, and one guy he had these nets that he lowered into the water there, and he picked up, and he got so excited when he caught a fish. Do you remember?
I expected him to like yank his net up, and he had like 20 or 30 fish in his net, but he pulled it up and he had one, and he was so excited.
So happy, and it wasn't even huge. But anyway, I give him a round of applause. He was happy. Got myself a little bit lost. I think we're back on the right path now. Beautiful aroma of the pine. It's absolutely incredible. I think they're actually having a bit of a...
something.
Oh. Look, he's trying to get in there. And then we went straight from there to a place we've been to before. It was like it's like a park up, like an air place, but it's not really used.
It's got free electricity.
Good morning.
Morning from Albania.
Albania.
Beautiful day in Albania.
I don't know if you can see.
And can you see Walter?
Walter's there. He's just there, and we're going to leave Walter for a few hours and walk over to another village, and then on to Belsh, which we've been before in Walter. But we thought we'd give it a walk, didn't we?
Really nice little town with a lake and everything around it, yeah. It's quite a long walk, I think, so we'll see how we go.
It's a nice day, no wind, we have water. Well, we just stepped into this amazing art gallery.
We met the artist outside.
And he's got some...
It's not open yet.
It's not open yet.
But it's in a bunker. Can you hear the acoustics?
It's just on the edge of this small village that we're walking through. It's obviously going to be a real...
You are the first visitors. Yeah, it's very weird.
We're going the right way?
I think we're going the right way, I hope so.
Okay, go round here and go round to the left. Belsh is over the hill. We're walking up the main road.
Oh, this is the main road, yeah?
Yeah. Good.
There's not been one bit of tarmac for the last 3 miles, which is great.
But this is the main road of the town.
And
Sarand.
yeah, Sarand. But it's quite lovely walking through the different small little villages and sort of
really nice, like the untarmac villages that we wouldn't be in normally unless we were walking. So it's really cool. Everybody's friendly. They're all smiling.
Yeah, the people are like,
say hello to us.
They are.
Loving it. Let's get some lunch though.
Yeah, we're getting hungry.
Joy of the first steps of a child.
And as we keep walking through the villages, we can see our final destination. That's the lake town of Belsh. So this is the Lake Belsh, and it sits on the front of quite a nice esplanade that we've walked up and down. Well, in good UK style, we've managed to order fries. We got some nice fries, which are very nice, aren't they?
Really, they're homemade, proper homemade chip.
And we got some nice bread, nice warm bread. So, and our main is on its way.
Chicken and rice and chips.
Chicken and rice. That's okay, though, isn't it?
I'm loving it. And chips.
So I think we'll leave it there, and we did make it back from our walk from Belsh. But if you like the video, please hit that like button. Maybe even leave us a comment about what you might have liked, and hit that subscribe button. We do appreciate everyone who does subscribe, so thanks so much for that. But our next video is all going to be about Tirana and our trip to the capital. So make sure you tune in for that.